Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. It's another video and it's your girl Mercy. For the new subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And this video, yeah, it's a bit late. I was supposed to post it like weeks ago, but I got busy. I'm a working girl, guys. I'm a working girl. Like, yeah, I'm employed, so I don't do this full time. I wish I did. But maybe some years to come I'll be doing it full time. That is my manifestation. Anyway guys, so this video is all about my Christmas haul, as the title says. The stuff that I got for Christmas. I got the stuff, then I already unboxed them and everything, because some of them were gifts. But yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you what really I got for Christmas. And before that, I'm gonna just finish my cup of coffee, because yo, if you're in UK, oh my god, I don't know how you're surviving, but it's really cold. I'm in my office. I have a heater literally in front of me right now, because it's really cold. It's really cold. I miss some heats. Okay, so let's dive into this video, because I've just finished my cup of tea. And yeah, the first thing that I got were these books. So yeah, so my partner got me these books. I'm a reading girl. I read quite a lot. I started reading last year around mid-October, August, around mid-August, I think. And I read almost 16 books. So this time round, my husband got me some of these books. This is the book. I got them from it's called Penguin, yeah. So Penguin. And these, I've not read these two books, but I've already read these ones. So yeah, so those are the first gifts that I got. These were gifts. And the next thing that I got myself this perfume. I really wanted so badly this perfume. It's Yara Latafa, because I remember last year when I bought it, I got scammed. When it came first, I bought it, then I got scammed. Apparently they said that I used was just a scam. I don't know, but it was an advert, so I don't know. I never received it, so they returned my money, of course. But this time round, I got it, and I just wanted this perfume. I'm a sucker of vanilla perfume, and this is how the perfume looks like. It smells so good, guys. This one smells like candy. It's so it's a good, guys, this one. So if you're looking for perfume that will smell like candy, vanilla, sandalwood, this is for you. Yeah, I'm kind of like literally going towards these Arabic kind of perfumes, but just I'm not specific. I'm a picker, so I want something that is so vanilla. But yeah, so this is the next thing that I got. Fine. So my husband got me this. This is Armani. Yeah, this is Armani watch. I rarely wear watches, but I never even closed it. So yeah, so this is the watch. It's a money watch. My husband got this one for me, and yeah, I love it. I think I'll try wear it, because I'm not a watch girl, but I think it's a sign that I need to start wearing watches. Maybe I'll get more gifts of watches. It came with a bracelet, so she got me this one, and then it comes with a bracelet. This is the bracelet. And these, yeah, I love them so much. So I'm so grateful for some of these things, guys, because not everyone gets gifted. It comes with this chain. I've worn this chain in some video that I took. I was going for dinner. So yeah, I love them so much. I'm a sucker of a good necklace, but I rarely wear them. I just wear them when I'm going out. So yeah, I can't wait to just rock some of these things. Anyway, that's enough for the gifts. The rest stuff that I got for Christmas, well, these it's like a two-piece with a top. This is how they look like. The material is so cozy. I just love this. I can't wait to just show you how these ones look like. I'll attach some pictures somewhere how they look on my body when I wear them. So yeah, so I'll attach them somewhere. But they come with a sweater. This is a sweater they come with. They're so cozy, especially right now it's winter, and if you walk a lot, because I'm not yet driving, yeah, these will save you. These will be good for maybe doing some errands, going for maybe a cup of coffee with your friends or anyone. These ones will be so nice and they're so cozy and I can't wait to wear them. I've not worn them, they're still new. So yeah, these are some of the things. And the next thing I got is pajamas, because I wanted so badly some like warm pajamas that I can just maybe walk around the house with, and just maybe if I'm doing something, if I'm making a cup of tea for my husband, if I'm making a cup of tea for myself, I can literally walk around and just wear them, because it's quite cold right now in UK. Yeah, so the first pajamas were these red ones. Yeah, it was Christmas. They're not red literally, they're burgundy, and I love burgundy. I was looking for red. They look red in the camera, but to me, I don't know, but they're giving, yeah, they're still giving Christmas vibe. And this is how they look, with some yellow gold-like straps. And then they are two pairs. They are piece, so they are two-piece, that is. And this is the top with the top. Yeah, it was Christmas, guys. So yeah, these pajamas were necessary. I can't wait to wear these pajamas. The material is so cozy, the material is so soft, it will feel so good in your body. And the next one is these orangey pink, I don't know what color. I'm so bad with colors, guys. You have to forgive me. I'm so bad. I think I'm the only lady who is so bad in colors, because the only colors I know is like red, just the normal colors. But if they come with lilac, I don't know, shade of this, I always get confused. But yeah, so what color do you think this is? Because I'm not sure what color this is. And this is, yeah, this is the next PJs. I'm a sucker of a good PJ, guys. This is how they look like. They're so good. They're so good, and they come with a top. They also come with a top. Yeah. And yeah, I can't just wait to wear these ones. So that is these. Oh my god. This is so good, guys. I'll just show you how it fits in my body like a stocking. Guys, this is so good. It's a jumpsuit kinda, and this is how it looks on the back, just like this gathers kinda, so they just pop your booty, you know, pop your booty. And this is how they look at the back. Yes, this is how they look at the back. I love the color, and I can't just wait to rock these ones. Can't wait to rock these ones. I'll attach them somewhere, how they look on my body, because guys, I have to show you how they look on this body, because you know, that's Jumuya. And I don't have this color. Oh yeah, I have this color, but I don't have this material. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, this is how it looks at the back. Yeah, this is how it looks at the back. It's a long sleeved. It's a long sleeved, so stretchy. Yeah, material is so stretchy. I don't know how this one will fit on my body, but the material is so stretchy. And comes with the pants too. And the pants are, oh my god, the pants are also as these gathers things on the back, and it's so stretchy. I hope these ones fit, because I don't know, I got them in size medium. I think I should have gotten them in size small, because I don't think my body is this big. I'm not sure if my body is this big, because I've kind of lost some weight. The next one that I got, it's a two-piece. It's like a yoga kind of pants. I don't have this kind of pants, this kind of material, but it's like a kind of yoga-ish. I hope it looked good on me. I don't have anything with this material, but it's kind of stretchy. But the thing is, I loved with this one is comes with a sweater. You see, so I can like literally run with this one. Just run with this one. Like, it's a good pair for running. And I think I'm gonna go look for maybe a pink and another color, black or a white one, because I love the way the material feels. The material is quite soft. Yeah, I'm a sucker, guys. I'm a sucker of the good stuff. And the next thing, I had to get this that I need, so I got them. They're just so cozy, they're so light, and I can't wait to wear these ones when I'm just going to the supermarket, running errands and all that. And yeah, the other thing I got was, the last thing I got was this scarf. I needed a scarf. I have only one scarf that I got, I think, in Dubai, when I was in Dubai 2023. Yeah, and I just started using it, but I needed another scarf at least for my just walking around and just bring on, and this is so comfy. It's so long. See how long it is. It's so long. So yeah, so those are a few of the stuff that I got for Christmas 2024, guys. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas whenever you were. I hope you had a beautiful one, and I hope Happy New Year is taking you really well and you're achieving the goals. You're working towards the goals that you set for this year, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. And guys, you have to comment below what other kind of videos you want me to be doing. This year is 2025, and I'm looking forward to just being like a little bit in YouTube so much, like posting videos back to back. So you have to comment below, and yeah, bye.